Hello everyone, welcome back to the QA Automation Studio. So in this video, we will focus on system requirements of a Playwright, Playwright language support, and which browser supported by Playwright, and then finally step-by-step Playwright installation. By the end of this video, your system will fully ready to start working with the Playwright. Number 1. System requirement. Before installing Playwright, your system must meet some basic requirements. So the first one is operating system. So basically, Playwright works on Windows 10 and above, macOS as well as Linux. So no matter which operating system you are using, Playwright supports it. Second requirement is Node.js. So basically, Playwright is built on Node.js. So Node.js is mandatory. You must have Node.js version 18 or higher. And then second thing, npm also required. Basically, npm comes automatically with a Node.js. You can check whether the Node.js installed or not by using this command. Open command prompt and run node-v. You are seeing versions, then it is installed. You can also run npm-v. So in my case, these two are installed on it. If Node.js is not installed, then your Playwright will not work. So to install Node.js, open your browser, go to the official Node.js website and download the long-term support version. Install it using by default setting. And again, restart your terminal or system. And again, after installation, verify again the previous commands. Node-v and then npm-v. If version appears, your system is now ready for Playwright installation. Number 2. Playwright language support. Playwright officially supported JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and .NET C#. In this course, we will use Playwright with the JavaScript. Why JavaScript? JavaScript is a beginner friendly. Most Playwright documentation and example use JavaScript. It helps you to focus on automation concepts. Number 3. Browser support. One of the biggest advantages of Playwright, it has a built-in browser support. Playwright supports Chromium, that is Chrome and Microsoft Edge browser, and then Firefox, and then WebKit, that is a Safari engine. Here, you don't need to install browser manually or browser drivers. Playwright automatically downloads compatible browser versions, and browser versions are managed internally. This makes Playwright setup simple, stable, and reliable. Number 4. Playwright installation. Now let's install Playwright step by step. Step number 1. Create a project folder. Create a new empty folder, for example, Playwright first demo. Open this folder in VS Code. Step number 2. Install Playwright. Run these command npm init playwright at the latest. So this command set up a Playwright project, and it install Playwright dependencies, and it download all supported browsers. Step number 3. Playwright setup questions. During the installation, Playwright will ask a few questions. For example, choose a language. So here you will select JavaScript. Test directory, keep the by default. Add GitHub actions. Choose no as of now. Install browser. Always select yes. We have completed our Playwright installation. So step number 4, verify installation. After installation, verify Playwright by checking the version using the command npx playwright version. If a version number is displayed, Playwright is installed correctly. Playwright is available in this project. Step number 5, update Playwright regularly. This is optional step. Playwright releases frequent updates. To update Playwright, run given command npm update space @playwright /test. So keeping Playwright updated, it ensures latest features, bug fixes, and better browser compatibility. Now let's see today's video task. Task number 1. Identify the correct way to uninstall Playwright from a project. Task number 2. Understand whether the Playwright is installed at the project level or it is installed globally. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.